Guys, my name is Mr. Midamo TK, a science teacher, including a mathematics teacher. I've got quite a wide experience in mathematics and specifically the science subject known as biology. So may I welcome you to my videos for students, and this time I want to go through a video on the lesson plan in the topic factors and multiples. So welcome, guys. So the lesson plan is factors and multiples. This is for the teacher. The subject, of course, is mathematics, and we are looking at factors and multiples. Grade level is junior secondary, and the duration is going to take 45 minutes. Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to define factors and multiples, identify and list factors of a given number, identify and list multiples of a given number, find the greatest common divisor and the least common multiple of given numbers, and understand the real-life application of factors and multiples. The materials they are going to use are whiteboards and markers, textbooks, handouts with practice problems, and interactive math software or online resources if available. Key concepts. Factor. You give them the definition. A factor of a number is an integer that divides the number exactly without leaving a remainder. For example, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, and 12. Multiples. A multiple of a number is the product of that number and an integer. For example, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, and 20, etc. Greatest common divisor, GCD, the largest number that can exactly divide two or more numbers. Example, the GCD of 8 and 12 is 4. So 4 is the largest number that can divide 8 and 12. Least common multiple, LCM, the smallest number that is multiple of 2 or more numbers. The LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Introduction, the teacher will warm up question, ask students to think about a situation where they have seen or used factors and multiple in real life. Then discussion, briefly discuss their answers, introducing the concept that factors and multiples are fundamental in various daily activities. Teaching and demonstration 15 minutes. Factors. Define factors and provide examples. Demonstrate finding factors using a number such as 18, where the process on the whiteboard, write the process on the whiteboard. List factors of 18, which are 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, and 18. Multiples. Define multiples and provide examples. Demonstrate finding multiples of a number like 7. Write the first 5 multiples on the whiteboard. List multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, and 35. GCD. Define GCD and demonstrate finding the GCD of two numbers using both the listing and the Euclidean algorithm. For example, find the GCD of 56 and 98. LCM. Define the LCM and demonstrate finding the LCM of two numbers using both listing and prime factorization. Example, find the LCM of 6 and 8. Handout, distribute handouts with practice problems. Problems, list the factors of 24. List the 5 multiples of 6. Find the GCD of 20 and 30. Find the LCM of 3 and 4. Group activity. Students work in pairs to solve problems. Encourage discussion and collaboration. Independent practice. Worksheet. Assign a worksheet with additional problems on factors, multiples, GCD, and LCM. Examples. Find the factors of 36. List the first 5 multiples of 9. Find the GCD of 15 and 25. Find the LCM of 10 and 15. Conclusion, 5 minutes. Summary, recap the key points covered in the lesson, definition and examples of factors and multiples, GCD and LCM. Solve a few example problems as a class to reinforce understanding. Real-life application, highlight real-life applications such as organizing objects in rows and columns, scheduling events, and understanding repeating patterns. Homework, assign a homework sheet with a mix of problems on factors, multiples, GCD, and LCM. Encourage students to find at least one real-life example of factors and multiples and write a short paragraph explaining it. Assessment, formative, observe students during guided independence practice, review handouts and worksheets to assess individual understanding. Summative, a quiz at the end of the week covering factors, multiples, GCD, and LCM. Additional notes, encouragement, foster an interactive environment where students feel comfortable asking questions. Use positive reinforcement to encourage participation. Use of technology. If available, use interactive math software or online resources for additional practice and reinforcement of concept. This lesson plan provides a structured approach to teaching factors and multiples, ensuring students grasp the concepts through definitions, demonstration, guided practice, and real-life applications. So that one is the lesson plan on this topic, factors and multiples. So I hope the teachers will be assisted by that lesson plan so that they effectively teach this topic. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell to get videos like this as soon as they are ready. Bye-bye, guys, and see you in the next lesson.